What do you think will happen when we mix sodium with mercury? Find out. For this experiment, we'll use mercury, sodium, and a 50 milliliter beaker. We'll start by adding a small amount of mercury to our beaker. You can see that mercury has a bright, shiny luster. Next, we'll cut a few small pieces of sodium. Sodium is stored in mineral oil because it reacts with moisture in the air. You can see how bright and shiny it is underneath that oxide layer. We'll just cut a few small pieces. Before creating your sodium amalgam, make sure you put it over a flame retentive blanket because this can throw some sparks. So now you're ready to add your sodium to your mercury. So when you drop it in there, you might notice that absolutely nothing happens. There's no sodium amalgam. So you can use a glass stir rod and you can try to coax your sodium into your mercury. But again, if the mercury does not alloy, if there's no amalgamation with the sodium, then what's happened is your sodium developed an oxide layer. And that happens very quickly. And that oxide layer is keeping the sodium from actually coming in contact with the mercury. So this is where if you use a knife and you cut the sodium while it's in the mercury, look what happens. There it is. It immediately creates a sodium amalgam. It mixes with the mercury. It alloys with the mercury. There's another piece there. The minute I cut it, watch what happens. It'll alloy with the mercury. And that's how you make a sodium amalgam. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.
If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.